Good day, I'm Rao Junjun, and to this video, I'm going to report about the three schools taught in the second language accusation, which are behaviorism, cognitivism, and structivism. But first, let's talk our objectives to this topic. The first one is to define the three schools of thought in second language accusation. Second one is the focuses of each language accusation. The third one is to understand the similarities and differences of the three language accusation. So now let's define what is behaviorism. So behaviorism is a learning theory that centers on the concept that behavior can be manipulated based on the rewards and consequences of the behavior. So let's define what is cognitivism. Cognitivism is a learning theory that based on the idea that concepts should be presented in a way that is clear or organized. So now let's define what is the third language accusation, and it is the constructivism. So constructivism is a learning theory based on the concept that students learn better by interacting with a problem or a concept. Every language accusations focus on the following. Behaviorism is focused on the publicly observance response. Those can be objectively perceived, recorded, and measured. Constructivism is focused and or emphasized in place on the importance of learners constructing their own presentations of reality. Then, cognitivism is a group of mental process that includes attention, memory, producing and understanding language, learning, reasoning, problem solving, and decision making. So now let's define the similarities of these three language accusation. So cognitivism is similar to behaviorism because they are both focused on environment. Cognitivism is a theory that students are able to learn more effectively when concepts are presented in a clear way, which involves the learning environment to be organized. And while behaviorism is focused on actions being based on the consequences, which are directly related to the environment the learner is in. The learner is in. The constructivism is similar to cognitivism because they both focus on meanings. Constructivism is based on interacting with the knowledge to develop meaning for it, while behaviorism and constructivism are similar in that they both involve actions. Behaviorism is based on students modifying their actions due based on predicted outcome, and constructivism is based on students performing actions so that the outcome is they will learn more effectively. So those are the similarities of cognitivism, constructivism, and behaviorism, the three language accusation. Now let's proceed to the differences of the three language accusation. Behaviorism is different than cognitivism because of the rules students within each other. Constructivism is different than cognitivism because of the manner in which they are implemented. Cognitivism and behaviorism are different because of their expected outcomes. Students' language development is integral to their success and area in school. Language enables students to play an active role in various communities of learners within and beyond the classroom. Behaviorism, cognitivism, and constructivism are the three prominent learning theories, and this theory try to develop efficient learning programs and study the psychology involved in individual ability to learn. Each of this theory has its own virtues, allowing educators to employ them to improve degrees.